YouTube, what's going on? Skywise here, back on a video. Today we got another review, and today we're reviewing a 36 volt MOTO TECH quad. I got this from my boy, of course, and it is a pretty cool quad. Isn't that right, Grayson? Isn't that a cool quad?
Yeah.
It's a little muddy right now because we've been riding it.
Yeah.
But check it out. Let's get you guys a good look of it.
Yeah.
All around. Oh yeah, ignore the mud. It's been getting used, so clearly it's nice.
Yeah.
So
it got the tow bar, the pool trailer.
it's not a standard 12 volt. It's a 36 volt. The little Razor 12 volt quads really aren't gonna. It's just not gonna work for the type of riding that we're gonna be doing. Clearly, we ride. We have some Renegades here. We got some Razors. So we're a riding family, so getting him a Razor wouldn't have really cut it. I needed something a little more power, but he's not ready for gas yet, he can't shift. So this is like the perfect match in the middle. This is 36 volt, and it's got front suspension on it. It's got actual, you know, like rubber tires on it, with valve stems. You can control the air, so you can air them out. Suspension works great. It's got the motor back here with the chain. It's got disc brakes, so it's got calipers on it. It's got the motor's not vented, so it can get some mud and dirt on it. We've been taking this thing through some pretty big puddles. It's got rear reflectors on it. It's also got horns. It's got 4 LED lights on the front of it. You got, like Grayson was saying, it's got, what is this?
For the pool trailer.
Pull bar, yeah. It actually, we hooked it up to the jet ski trailer, and it actually pulled the freaking jet ski. So this thing's pretty mean. It also comes with 2 keys, so Dad can hold on to one, and then we can leave one with the 4-wheeler, just in case someone loses one of the keys. We have another one.
Yeah.
It's got three different speed modes. It's got a front push bar on the front.
Wait.
And like I said, it's got, you know, it's got the Nerf bars.
Push the one.
It's got the brake. It's got a safety feature as well. So when you first put the key in, you gotta turn the key, and then you can't just throttle it. You have to pull the brake all the way in, and then you can throttle it. Yeah. So it's got some nice safety feature for the kids, and it's pretty nice. So let's get the key in this thing, and let's watch Grayson whip this thing around. Now, of course, before we get too far in this video, here, Grayson. Here's your helmet. Slide it on. It's chilly out here. Dad's helmet, but it'll work. All right, take it. Here, I'm gonna open the gate. Wow. All right, come on. Look at that thing. All right, take it through the mud hole. Take it through the mud hole. So this is literally all that a kid could really need or want in a 4-wheeler. I mean, it's got so many features on it. Wow. Look at that. Wow. It's got so many features with the suspension, the disc brakes. You know, 36 volts. I mean, it's really just a beast of a 4-wheeler. I mean, it's perfect for getting them and transitioning them into a gas 4-wheeler. It's the perfect match. Here it comes. Come on, rip it through here. Rip it through here. Rip it. Wow. Yep, I'm ready. That is so cool. What I would recommend if you guys are going to be looking into one of these is checking Marketplace first. Don't buy one brand new, because these are like $1,100, $1,200 brand new, and most of them are just drop shipped, so you're going to be paying like a $200 upcharge for no reason. Check Marketplace. Definitely 100% check Marketplace for one of these. Come on, hit it. But I mean, literally, you really just can't go wrong, especially if you're getting a good deal on one. This one I only paid $450 for, and that's really not bad. Wow, thing is a beast. Thing is a beast. And really, like, believe it or not, like, that thing will carry me around. Like, carries me no problem. Kind of reminds me of like my e-boards, like my little e-boards that could go up to like 30 miles an hour, but like it's just a four-wheeler instead of an e-board. But he freaking loves this thing. The only downside is the battery doesn't last too long. Like, honestly, like if I was going on like an out-of-state ride to another state, I wouldn't take that just because it would just die on the trails. But like a local trail up here, close to home, you know, one day after work, you could take that out easily and ride it. It'll do just fine. I mean, it literally looks like our Renegades. I was like, why, you know? Little man thinks he's got a little mini Renegade, and you know, that makes them happy. So pretty soon, my youngest son, he'll grow into that one, and then he'll move up to a gas one. So it'll be, you know, overall they're great to have, you know. And if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll see plenty of videos with this four-wheeler. I mean, we post shorts all the time. All the time. Turn the headlights on for this next time. Turn them on. Headlights on. Here, rip through the mud with the headlights on. It's cool. Alright, let's see it. Let's see it. Wow. Headlights do, even though they're LED, they do kill the battery a little bit faster. Just like the horn, he likes to beep the horn, and I tell him, like, to get the most out of that battery, no headlights, no horn. If we're in, like, you're riding around the yard like this, there's no reason for any of that. But the horn's a great safety feature. You all right? He freaking loves this thing, man. It's like the coolest thing in the world to him. And we never had any Power Wheels or nothing growing up. This is like his first thing. He's just always ridden on Dad's four-wheelers and Dad's razors. So this is the first thing that he's got that he can just ride by himself, and he's doing phenomenal. He learned how to ride it the same day I brought it home. So perfect gift for the summer coming up. He'll definitely enjoy it. And you know, like I said, he'll move right up to a 110. You know, easily, especially if there's no shifting involved. It'll be a super easy transition. I'd rather him be on a 110 because it's easier for me to maintain, because I know engines. I'm not really great with electrical and shit, but like I could maintain those engines a little bit, and I could take a 110 with me on the trails and some gas for it, and he'd be good for the day to ride that. But you know, worst comes to worst, you can take something like that in the trails, but you know, maybe convert it to LiPo batteries, lithiums. That way you get some more amp hours out of it. But hell yeah, that thing is a real. Let's see it, Grace. Hold on, let's see it, Grayson. Look at that. Look how muddy it is. That's the motor. It's even got the rear suspension. You know, there's the batteries in there. Thing is just a beast. It's even got reverse. Show them the reverse. Put it in reverse. Reverse it. Wow. But anyways, guys, that's a review of the little 36-volt kids quad. If you guys like the video, subscribe, leave a like, and like I said, expect to see more content of that on the channel. If you guys are into any type of other shit, you know, we do car videos, everything, anything with vehicles, you know, we're making videos on. So subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you guys think, and we will see you guys next time. Hell yeah.